What's that screw rod for me, Dad?
Probably some. Not sure. Huh? Yeah, we try. Say the hedge.
Hopper.
I don't know, it's probably See?
Donkey boom, 100%.
No, it's not true. Bro, it's gonna get it.
Bonita, it has to be
Zardy.
Bonita.
Not true, no, it's true. No, it's tiny.
Trevor, you're right.
There's a donkey.
Trevor.
I'm joking.
Okay, he's gonna pull it over, boys. Careful.
Hey, you look like a tree.
Careful, boys. He's gonna pull. He's gonna pull it over. There you go.
Good job.
Thank you.
What page racer is that? That's a
Bro, I've got my own fucking window and this one. Not fair. At least we're getting bikes.
We lost it on the hook.
Yeah, broke off.
Get another small.
Shui! Holy! That is good. That is a good trip.
Yeah.
It's a salmon.
What is it? Salmon or salmon?
Do it to the left, boys.
Nice salmon though.
Thank you.
Quite smoking it apparently.
Look at that. I want to get a good shot of the map.
I'm trying to get him to stay still for you. They're back, they're back. Salmon are in.
Whew, beauty. Ooh. No, get out, get out, get out.
Yeah, you got him out, you got him out.
I got him out. Oh my gosh. Incoming, Dad. That was bigger than the last one. It's fun, bro. It's fun. It's fun. It's fun, bro. It's fun. It's fun, bro.
Funner than just pumping in them.
Fight,
Fun with the fish. But
fight to swim with my left hand, bro.
come around here, so it's going to get back towards your fire. Yeah, there it is. Trev. Once you get Trevs in, you always get Trevs. Watch out. Yeah, he's good.
Take my time. It's whatever, bro.
Take your time and it falls off. Popped up?
Yeah.
What do you reckon? What do you reckon that is?
Trev.
How old is this girl? How old are you?
14.
Hey, can I fight it?
No, bro.
Can I fight it?
No, bro.
If I snap your arm, I'll give you $400. Yeah, that's a king, but that's a king. You're gonna lose a side of it. Hey, you got that first thing. We told you to take out that rock. You got it? Take me around. Yeah, go, pump it. Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
How's this rod take?
This time I'm gonna lose it. Sweet ass.
Trev?
Yeah, great Trev. Seems heavy. Ooh.
Nowhere near the bottom.
Yeah. Beauty. That's a good bream. That's a solid bream. Oof. He's my uncle. He's my uncle.
Wait, close it.
Leave it, leave
It's a
it.
bait runner, it's a bait runner, the switch, bro. I'm not touching. No one's touching it.
I'm telling you don't touch.
It's a bait runner. I'll tell you to pick the switch. It's a bait runner, he had the switch open. Okay.
2 years old, he knows what he's doing.
That's a big kid. Hey, bro. Stop. That's a king, bro.
And there's some weed on it.
Dada, could you bring my belt?
I don't know where's your
It's in the trolley, in the back.
No, it's not. It's a king.
No, look, see wait.
Your walls are running.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Yes, sir. Get that in your head.
It's a king. It's a king. Can you feel it pulling?
Yeah.
It's a king, bro.
Yes, it is, bro.
Pump it, come on. Pump. He's gonna wrap you. Pump harder.
Go on, Ernst.
It's still running, it's still running.
Pull right. I'm reeling in, really. Right.
No, wait. Lost it.
Yeah, pull right. Pull right. Pull right.
Nice seaweed, bro.
Pop, pop.
I know it was. Yeah, seaweed.
Far out, man.